Hello guys, hope you're doing great. Today we'll be seeing a short video of how to fill data in extended fields in any tables. So here I have purchase order confirmation page, and here I've extended a report where it has some sample fields which I have added to the report, which are extended fields. So here I have this static data. Okay, cus header 1 and cus header 2 are static values that have been added to the extended columns. So let me explain the scenario here. So here for that report, I've duplicated the original purchase order report. Okay, and I have added two new fields to the tables related to that report. Okay, these two, cus field 1, cus field 2 in the line table, and cus field 1 and cus field 2 in the header table, and these were eventually put into this. Okay, now I want to add some standard data to these fields. How do you do that? So let's take this table. So let's go to the place where we are adding the values, filling the values to the table here. So these are the places where we are adding data to the table, right? Now I want to add some real-time data based on the parameter value that is passed to this method. This is a COC method. Okay, this is a COC method that is called when this report is triggered. And in this COC method, I am filling the data, cust field 1 and cust field 2. Here I hard coded this. Okay, based on this parameter that is passed to this method, I want to fill the data. So this is a purchase order DP. Okay, and it is having vend purch journal. Vend purch journal. Let's go to vend purch journal. Let's go to this. Go to definition here, and this is a table buffer we are getting. So in vend purch journal, we are having a purchase ID. Based on this purchase ID, I want to retrieve some data from purch table. Okay, and from that purch table, I am going to fill the data into our newly added custom fields. So let's see how we do that. So in this vend purch order general, we have purch ID, right? So let's create a buffer for the purch line, purch table. Purch is equal to new, no, not new. Let's use the find method. Purch table dot find scope resolution, because it's a scope resolution operator. Find, and what it is expecting. It is expecting the purch ID. From where you are getting purch ID? From the argument that is being passed. So underscore vend purch order general dot purch ID. If I write this, I'll be getting the table buffer of purch table. With this variable, I'm going to fill the data. So purch dot some random purch dot anything you want to add. So let me just find some fields which I can use here. Select star from purch. This is a previous query. Select star from purch table, where data area ID is equal to USMS before, because we are using USMF legal entity. So let's see some meaningful columns here. Here we are having some order account and delivery name also we are having. So let's use this delivery name and also and another meaningful and understandable okay, invoice account also we'll use. Okay, invoice account and delivery, what was that again? Invoice account and delivery name. Delivery name for the first field and H dot invoice account for the second. And for the lines, what I'll do is I'll take the data from the purge line. Okay. So what do I need to create here? I need to create a buffer for purge line. Equal to purge line scope resolution find what it is taking, purge ID, the same thing. From where we will get the purge ID? We are having these many parameters here. We can get purge ID from any of the fields, and I'm pretty sure that purge order header will have the purge ID dot purge ID. With this, we will be getting the purge line. From this purge line, we are going to fill the fields. Purge line, and also in the same way, we will also see some meaningful fields from the database. Select some random fields. Here, tax group is one thing which has mostly the data, and delivery name also we have delivery postal address. Okay, delivery name and delivery postal address we are going to take. Chill line, I gave this. Delivery name, and the second field is delivery postal address. These are the fields directly we can give, and let's save it. And why this is giving an error? The class table. Okay, the logistics rec ID. No, it's first field one is string, and what is this? F12. Close this and coming here again. Delivery name. What is this? The name logistics delivery name. Okay. Okay. This might not be this. What? Go to definition. Delivery name. is delivery name? It's a string, and logistics extended data type, logistics delivery address. Oh, okay, got it. What it is saying is we might need to have a reference for this if you have to use. This is something, okay, delivery name and delivery address. I think it's the same thing, I think. So what we have to do is Ctrl Shift B will give the proper okay, let's go here and find the project model. See, it is asking for directory, logistics delivery. Name is directory. Let's add, update the model parameter, directory. Update model parameters and go here and then next. Directory. Next, next, next. Now we should be able to build it. Delivery name is, that error is gone. Okay, enter to 64. This is something different it is expecting because this is an integer and this is the string. So let's choose another field. Delivery name we have seen. Let's pick something related to tax group. Not tax group. We might also have to, okay, this is resolved I think. So let's give it a build and go to the front end. We don't need to deploy the report because we haven't made any changes to the report. Let's refresh it. Now in these places of cust header 1 and cust header 2, you have to see the details from patch table and patch line table. So it's refreshing. Now go to the print management and original preview. We should see data related to patch table and patch line in our report. See here site 6, and these are the values that are retrieved from the patch table, and these are the values that are retrieved from the patch line table. Hope you understand the concept of filling data in the extended fields. Have a nice day. Thank you.